Let's say you're live and need to record a promo for an event, like right then. You can't wait. You got to do it now. But maybe you're doing a Q&A show, and this answer will make for a great standalone video. Or you're like me and live streaming is part of your accountability. So you design the show to produce a video every time. Listen, you don't have to record the whole thing and then find it later using markers or something like that. In Ecamm Live Pro, just open up Preferences, select the Recording tab, then check the box for the recording. And if you're already recording, that box will probably already be checked. Then you just select the checkbox for your camera. Do this to start and then uncheck it to end, and you'll have a standalone recording with no graphics even before you end the live show. Let me tell you, this works even if you're streaming vertical, but there are some specifics to consider, which I'll share along with the step-by-step process in the full video. So here we are looking at Ecamm Live. I did a screen record of this earlier so that we can capture this in the video. And so what I'm showcasing here now is just my desktop. I've got the Go Live ready. I've got two streams scheduled. One is test wide stream record. The other is a test vertical stream record. And those are what we're going to use to showcase that we're of course live and recording, right? You see stream and record there at the top. And then also we can see by going to Preferences that the checkbox is there for record all broadcasts. And what that means is it's going to record the broadcast as it is. And then we will be able to come in and check those boxes below the camera A, B, C. In this case, I'm going to probably look at camera C because that's the one that has the primary mic attached. So we're going to go live now. Click go live now, give it a few seconds, it will go live. This is an unlisted live stream on my YouTube channel. I don't want to notify all the subscribers that we're doing this test right now. But once that's live, the only thing that I want to make sure of right here is that I put something on screen for you to see that is live, right? So I'm going to put my lower third up. I'm going to put the Why Go Live podcast up. I'm actually going to go to the first scene for my podcast recording, right? So that gives you that specific look. And that could be, maybe this is how you're streaming and you want a clean record while you're live or while you're streaming to be able to utilize for this particular clip that you're going to use, that you're going to record during your live show. So here you can see that I am live. I'm just going to put a little comment in there so that we can ensure that that comes up as well. So that is, the comment is there. You can see that we're live on YouTube. So here you can see the comment. I'm going to put that on screen. So again, this is a typical live show, a typical live stream. You get comments coming in from viewers. You'd want to put those comments on screen. In fact, I want to leave this comment on screen just so we can test this theory out. Now, going into Preferences, going to Cam Link, you can see primary mic is selected there. You want to make sure your audio is embedded in this video that you're about to record. Check that box, that starts the recording. Right? We check that box, that starts the recording. And so now I'm going to do a couple of hand gestures, a couple of different little things, just because that would, maybe that's what you would be doing during your recording. Maybe you're recording the promo, maybe you're answering a question for a particular viewer that you're working with at that moment. Then you go back to Preferences, you uncheck that box, and that clip is set just by itself. We would be able to go, if this wasn't being recorded, you'd be able to go into your Ecamm Live recordings folder and actually find the recording immediately. But because it is being recorded, the whole thing's being recorded, we would have to finish or end the broadcast in order to ensure that you can see it. So that's what we're going to do right now. We've taken the comment off screen. We've moved back to the regular default of camera view, taken the graphics off screen as well. And then we're just going to click finish and broadcast. And that ends the live stream to YouTube. So that live stream to YouTube was about just under 3 minutes. So what I'm going to do real quick here is delete that post on YouTube so that, again, nobody finds that. And then I'm going to go back to my Ecamm Live recording folder over here in the Finder window. And you can see that a folder has been created because I was streaming to Kirk Nugent YouTube channel. The folder is actually named Kirk Nugent. So in that folder, we have a file that has the entire recording, right? Because we recorded all broadcasts, and you can see that that is there, 2 minutes and 59 seconds. And you can see that, you know, all the stuff is there, comments on screen, the graphics, the video in the background in this episode of Why I Go Live. Now, if I click on camera C and open that up, you'll notice immediately no graphics. It's a 25-second clip, and it has those hand gestures that we were talking about. It's just that portion of the video that I checked the box and unchecked the box. That can come in so clutch, so handy. And I've done this multiple times throughout a Q&A show where these answers to questions could easily be shorts or standalone videos that I can utilize. Why not just use it differently? Yo, don't miss the party, y'all. You got to try out Ecamm Live. All of these crazy, ridiculous, and awesome features are waiting for you. And if you haven't tried it out already and you want to get 14-day free trial of Ecamm Live Pro, use my link. It's kirkrnugent.live/ecamm, and you'll get a chance to take this thing for a test drive. And listen, come back here and we'll show you exactly how to get it done. All right, back to the video. Now, I'm going to test this out with vertical as well. So what I've done is gone and changed the canvas to vertical. And now we're putting some things on screen, but we're getting ready to go live to that vertical test stream that we had set up earlier. See, there it is, test, vertical stream, record. And so the concept here is simply, I'm going to go live, but this is a vertical stream. If you were watching this, maybe I'm streaming to Instagram. In this case, I'm streaming to YouTube, but I could be streaming to both at the same time, vertical. Let's go and take a look at what that looks like on YouTube. If this was on the phone, it would have that full, take up all the screen real estate. A lot of people like to do that. You know, you're streaming vertical, maybe, you get a lot of organic people coming through to your stream. You got questions that are being asked, and you want to make sure that you are able to capture those questions in a way that you can then repurpose later. Yes, of course, you could just clip it out of the longer live stream, but wouldn't it be easier just to, when you recognize that moment is happening, wow, maybe I can just go ahead and check that box. Now, I've put a comment on the screen, and again, this is just to showcase that none of that is recorded when we select the clip. So we are recording all broadcasts again. And here we're going to check this box for camera C, cam link. That's my cam link, my primary camera, and it has the primary mic embedded. So we check that box. I'm going to do the hand gestures one more time. It's not the Macarena, I promise you, but this you can see that I'm actually holding my hands out a little wider. That's not even shown in the vertical clip, but hopefully that is captured when we showcase the clip later. Uncheck this box to end that clip. That's the process. Check the box to start it and uncheck the box to end it. I'm going to take this comment off screen. Nothing really else more to do here, but that is essentially the concept. Now, what is beautiful about this is even though this is a vertical live stream, I'm still going to be able to record my clip and get the full 16:9 size of this video of my camera. So I've just ended the live stream there, and we're gonna go ahead and delete that post as well, just because we don't want that staying out on YouTube. And we can then go back to the Ecamm Live recording folder, and there should be another folder. Yep, another folder there that has been created. And in that folder, we have the broadcast, which is the top one there. Let's go ahead and play that. And you'll see that this is the full thing. I'm gonna go ahead and, yeah, this is 1 minute and 52 seconds. So you can see the length there. You can see the comment is on the screen. So this is vertical also. So this is definitely not what we recorded. So 1 minute, 52 seconds. You can see the hand gestures. Now let's go to camera C. And we go to camera C, and you can see that this is 21 seconds, 21 seconds. There are the hand gestures that I get. Again, I promise you, this is not the Macarena, but you can see that even when I'm holding my hands out wide, you can see that in the recording. So this is super, super, super clutch. Something that I believe you will be able to utilize for your live shows to be able to repurpose and get some of those clips that you can't get otherwise. I want to say this. I do a version of this process for the Morning Motivation podcast. It's slightly different. I go live, record the video, stop the recording, and engage with my viewers. Still live, but I've already stopped the recording. And then that recording is then shipped off to my editor, and they will use that to produce a video. And those videos are released on Wednesdays on my channel at 6:30 a.m. But I want to share this. In this video right here, I show you that entire process of what I do for morning motivation and media and all the details. So if you click right here to watch, you will see that entire process as well. I'm excited for you to go and check it out, and I will see you over there. Later, fam.